Okay, this was a 1978 F-250. I have a heater core that's been leaking. It's been dumping nice green stuff all over the floor to the point where it's actually running out the door a little bit. Coddled it and breathed it all year last year, and this year I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and take a shot at changing this. Looked at YouTube. There's nothing on YouTube for this make and model, and it turns out this one's totally different than anything else. So your first step is to go ahead and pull off your door to your glove box, and then pull the screws and pull the liner out of the glove box. There's the liner. It's all cardboard. It's got a whole bunch of holes in it, and I don't know why, but those are factory holes. And it just kind of turns around sideways and comes right out through this hole here. If you look inside of there, you can see the heater. Oops, sorry. And there's the heater down there. It says vent. And this wire here attaches right there. It just pulls off. And I got looking for screws that attach it to the firewall, and there are no screws that attach it to the firewall. So we walk around here underneath the hood. You can see the two nipples there. There they are, where the heater hoses came up and attached. I disconnected them. That is the blower motor that sticks back through the firewall, and it just has this click connection here, and that unclicks. It's got a ground here that attaches down to the firewall. So now that's free, and then it's got 3 bolts sticking through the firewall. 1, 2, and that's the dirty bugger back in there. It's on the firewall, smack dab center, and it's kind of tough to get to. There we go. You can see it now. Okay, now I've pulled the nuts off of those, and there's only 3. As soon as you cut off the hoses, I just made little incisions right in the end here. I think I'm going to end up changing out my heater hoses too, as long as I'm here. And then what it does is it frees that whole thing up. Now, I've never done this before, but we are going to see if that thing just slides out or not. I suspect it's just going to slide out of there, and then I can change the heater core and then try to slide it all back in. Those nuts hold it to the dash. Are 7/16. So you need a ratchet with the 7/16. Extension helps a little bit. Need a stubby crosshead, stubby flathead, and I'm just going to grab that thing and see if I can slide it out of there now.